Hello and welcome to AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create images on Leonardo AI. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open any type of browser you have on your PC and go to app.leonardo.ai and log into your account. What you need to do next is click on image creation. After you do so, what you need to do is, now you can see there is some things already uploaded. What you need to do is write down what you want in this. So to do that, you can see some of the examples over here. So you can see there are a lot of things over here. If you want to draw something or if you want to create an image of something but don't know what you want to create something of, you can see there are a lot of things over here like abstract art, animals, anime, architecture, character and whatnot. So let's go ahead and copy some architecture designs over here. I just clicked on architecture. You can see some of the architecture's options over here. So you can see this is a garden in rainstorm. So an anime garden soaked in. It is written something like this. I'm just going to go ahead and copy this. And I'm going to go to the image creation. After I do this, I'll go ahead and paste the prompts over here. So you can see that that prompt was not copied. Let's go ahead and copy this again. So I'll just go ahead and go to the architecture. As soon as I go to architecture, you can see that this will load up and this was the details. So let's go ahead and copy this. This has been copied. Go ahead and scroll over, click on image creation and you can paste this over here. Now you can see some of the commands over here. We are going to go in the detail of what you should do to generate an image. So you can see I'm going to read it out. Garden in rainstorm and anime garden soaked in heavy rainstorm. So we are going to tell the Leonardo AI that we need an anime garden which is soaked in heavy rainstorm with large raindrops hitting the leaves and petals. The scene is dark with a movie ambient atmosphere. So you can see we have dedicated that the scene should be dark with a moody ambient atmosphere. So this is really necessary to depict or to describe what the image is going to look. And the garden paths are slick with water and puddles are forming. The art style is Ghibli inspired with intricate hand-drawn details. So you can say that this is what is going to happen. So I'm just gonna go ahead and turn this to thunderstorm. And I'm going to see some of the details what is going to happen. So I'm just going to go ahead and turn this to thunderstorm as well. And you can see this is going to be the same. So I want this to become the same. You can see the new random prompt generator is also here if you want to randomly generate a prompt or if you want to edit a prompt with AI. So you can do this and you can write down what you like to change and finally click on generate. And you can see it will take some tokens over here. It took 14 tokens, so it might take it according to the version or according to the legacy mode you have chosen. So this is how you can generate art on Leonardo.ai. It's quite simple, easy and fascinating to see artwork being done in a couple of minutes or seconds as well. So you can see the 4 variations has been there. So you can see the Ghibli art inspired thing which has been done, the thunderstorm, the rain and some dark scenery. So guys, this is how easy it is to create images using Leonardo.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.